Between Winfield and Arkansas City, Kansas, just off the beautiful Walnut River, lies approximately 316 acres of dense, diverse habitat unlike any other property we've seen in this region. With an unlimited supply of water to the west, productive crop fields north and south, and a giant rolling prairie that pushes to the east, these tracts are some of the most incredible bedding and breeding grounds for whitetail deer in the Sunflower State. With well over 100-foot change in elevation from one end to the other and a large percentage containing brush and trees, there's just not many farms that compare. The diversity of trees is impressive, consisting of everything from mature oaks to pear. There are 2 ponds on the property and several active springs providing ample water. The addition of the food plots that are strategically placed, accompanied by the new bank's blinds, makes this property ready to hunt. Since we have started managing this property, we've received some incredible trail cam photos, and they speak for themselves. The farm, selling in 3 tracts at iAuction, is conveniently located just 15 minutes from both Winfield and Arkansas City and about 1 hour from Wichita. For more information, call or text Joel Morris at 316-706-9587.